This is Multnomah Falls in Oregon. It's a perfect spot here to enjoy nature. We've got a nice, tall, skinny waterfall up here, and the trees on the top. But and we've got a whole line of trees down over there, or over here. And this is not the only thing that makes this place so exciting, because over here on my left side is a railroad, complete with a bridge. So and beyond that is the Oregon River. Or no, is that it?
Columbia River.
Over there is the Columbia River, and more mountains over there. So not only do you get to watch water crashing down from up in the air, but you also get to watch trains pass by on this bridge, and cars and trucks roar by on the highway over there. And a nice place to go wading in. To wade in the water in. What could be better? This is a close-up shot of Multnomah Falls. See, there's where the water crashes down. There's a bridge. You can get another close-up shot of the falls. And then it starts all the way up there at the very top. Here's the view of the waterfall from the top of the bridge. See the water crashing down? It starts all the way at the top up there, comes down here, and flows down this little creek right here, and flows under the bridge, and it flows out to over here. We're now standing on top of where you're watching it from down there, and flows all the way down to the river over there. A train going by the waterfall. Here at Multnomah Falls. A perfect way to end the day at Multnomah Falls in Oregon. This is Bridal Veils Falls in in Oregon. As you can see, it's called the waterfall is called that because it is shaped like a bride's veil flowing down. And it flows into this pond, this right here, this pool right here, goes past this big rock, and the river flows, the stream flows down under that bridge, through the trees, and all the way out to the Columbia River. Another impressive thing to do here in the state of Oregon. This is Horsetail Falls in Oregon. It's not as high as Multnomah Falls, but it's still an impressive sight to see. Nice small pool at the bottom there. And once again, there's some nice trees at the top and a nice forest running along that way. And the forest running along that way. And once again, we are right next to the railroad tracks. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope there's... Here's another view of Horsetail Falls. This time from an angle. I just love the rock formations they have up here. And the forests running along that way. And more forests running along that way. And the railroad track right across us. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you for enjoying this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. And I'll see you on our next adventure.